These badass kids in my room again. Get the hell out.
Good. Oh, honey.
Look like Stop. Let me see you clap your hand.
Now, how do you like your tube steak? Just plain, bitch. You don't got a choice. You gonna get it raw. Boom shakalaka!
Focus!
Or,
yeah.
You know.
So you have to look amazing all the time then?
You know, it cracks me up, that thing when they do stars without makeup, and I think, are we now supposed to have makeup on every moment of our lives? You know, it's...
That is what happens when you pee on lava.